Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining me again. For those of you that don't know who I am, my name is Crystal and you're watching Fashion, Beauty, and Wine. So in today's video, I'll be showing you a fast and affordable alternative to laying your nails. Recently, there's been a lot of controversy surrounding nail salons, and I want to offer some sort of solution if you want to break away from that cycle. Firstly, if you're like me, you probably wear fake nails because your natural nails are either harder to manage, brittle, and or short from stress. Whatever the reason is, I want to show you a quick, simple, lasting, and affordable way to do your nails that come out looking perfect. Oh, and trust me, I get so many compliments on my nails that people really don't believe that this look is easy to accomplish as it sounds. So if you want in on my best kept secret, then keep watching the rest of the video. Now before we get started, you'll need nail polish remover, cuticle clippers, cuticle pusher, nail buffer or nail file, nail duster brush, nail clippers, cuticle oil, polish nail kit, and in my case I'm using the Kiss nail kit. It comes with 28 nails, glue and tape depending on your preference, alcohol, and cotton pads. So the first thing that I like to do is clean my hands and nails. I've already cleaned my hands off camera, hence the ash, and now I'm taking nail polish remover to clean any nail polish residue that may have been left behind. Now I'm going in with a cuticle pusher to push back my cuticles and get them loosened to be trimmed. If you're in a rush, this step and the next step can totally be avoided. This step gets a little tricky if you're not experienced. However, if you are a beginner, I do suggest practicing before you attempt to trim, or be extremely careful. Now that we're finished with that, I'm just going to take that nail duster brush to dust everything away. Now I'm going to lightly buff my nails. The reason for this step is simply to make your nails last a little longer. Buffing the nails gets rid of the top waxy layer as well as any oils that may be residing on the surface that keeps the glue from sticking to the nails. I prefer to use a buffer because it's less abrasive on my nails. As an added step, I go a little bit further and add alcohol to my nails just to make sure that the nail beds are as dry as possible. The nail kit that I'll be using today is from Kiss. It's their Gel Fantasy Collection in medium length, Mountain Peak style, in the color Ballerina Pink. This kit will cost you no more than $10, and you can purchase it at your nearest Target, CVS, or Walmart. Now, I don't usually wear nails so dramatic. I'm more of a simple, short, rounded nail type of girl. However, if you frequently buy these nails, you'll understand that they rarely have simple options available. Usually the nails are bright and sparkling, and I'm just not really into those colors. Anywho, this kit comes with a tube of nail glue, 28 stickers as an alternative to the glue, 28 nails, a mini nail filer, an alcohol wipe, and a wooden manicure stick. Before I glue the nails to my nail beds, I first like to measure them to my fingers to get the correct size. Once I have all the sizes lined up, I then go on to glue each nail one by one. This process saves time and minimizes any mistakes of accidentally transferring glue to any unused nails. When gluing, there's a method to the madness. What I found works the best for me is by adding 3/4 the amount of glue that you'll be using for the total nail to the nail bed and the other quarter of glue to the false nail. Now, I like to apply the glue to the tip of the nail and no further than the middle of my nail, with the remaining glue being applied to the lower center of the false nail. Just a dollop of glue to the nail will suffice. I then let that sit for 5 seconds and connect the nail. I like to almost run the false nail along my nail bed as a guide and ultimately stop once it hits the cuticle. This helps to spread the glue evenly and assure that the nail is sitting straight. I then hold the nail for about 5 seconds. This is just enough time to check to see if the angle of the nail is not crooked. If it is, you have just enough time to take it off and reposition it before the glue dries and becomes messy and you're unable to use the nail. If it's on straight, I'll hold the nail in place for another 30 seconds, avoiding a hard press, not to bend the nail and spew glue all over the finger. Once all of the nails are stable and secure, I then take the cuticle oil and massage that into the fingers. So all in all, this process took less than 10 minutes to do, and I've even done it in as little as 5 minutes. It's an affordable alternative, and the nails come out perfect every single time. I've honestly never been more happier with my nails and the way they look than any other time than I am now. And like I've said, I've also gotten tons of compliments. Now, I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to press the thumbs up button. And if you're watching the video and you're not subscribed, take a moment to press that subscribe button. And while you're at it, don't forget to press that alert bell so that you can be alerted every time I post a new video. Now, I am on social media. You can follow me under keywords fashion, beauty, and wine. Again, I thank you for joining me today. I wish you all nothing but peace, love, fashion, beauty, and wine. Bye-bye.